My name's Kiritapu and I've just finished the Masters of Professional Practice through Otago Polytechnic. I'm a therapist. I generally work with young people and young adults and family systems. So I often have a co-therapist with me that has 4 legs. Animal-assisted therapy is whatever it needs to be at the time. Doing therapy is quite a big ask, so the dog provides a social lubricant. The Polytech process is about taking care of you, and it looked like I could do my job and my study. You know, I had a body of knowledge coming into study, and having that recognised and expanded on and really fleshed out was extremely powerful and motivating, and it was probably the most transformative thing I've done in my career. Since doing the MPP, I'm more confident. My practice lens has definitely broadened. My circle's gotten a lot larger.